Hi guys, I'm back here with another unboxing and it's the Nude by Nature mailer from Topbox. I'm super excited to show you this one because there are 6 full-size products inside. I think by far it's the most generous mailer that I got from Topbox. I'm also going to test it on me, so I haven't put any makeup on yet. I've just done my brows and put a little color on my lips, just because I don't have any of those products in this box, but everything else I'm going to do with what's in here, so let's get into it. I wanted to keep the best product for last, but because I'm going to be doing swatches and doing my makeup, I wanted to show this first so that I can use it throughout the video. I got the professional brush set, and this retails for I think $70 or $80, so this is a really generous product. And there are 9 brushes. There's a powder brush, blush, liquid foundation brush, concealer, eyeliner, eyeshadow, eye blending, brow and lip brushes. And the case looks like this. It's a really good quality, like leather-like case, and I love the rose gold detailing on the logo and in the zipper. And these are all the brushes. They're really soft, they're professional grade. And they also have the rose gold detailing. To prep the skin, I got the Perfecting Eye Primer. And it's for the eyes, but I think you can use it on the face too. So it looks like this. It spreads very nicely and it becomes translucent, so you don't get any residue or you have to like really blend it out. I'm gonna go up to my brow bone. So now my eyes are ready for eyeshadow. And that's exactly what this next product is. It's a trio eyeshadow palette, and this is in 03. So this is the rose palette. And again, I'm loving their rose gold packaging. So there's this brown for the eyelids or the outer eyelids. And then this, I would say it's like a peach color. And then it's a pink shadow with a bit of metallic in it. So I'm gonna just swatch these quickly so that you can see. They're not heavily pigmented, so you can barely see them on me. I mean, you can see the brown, and then I put the peach right here, and then the pink. Start with some of the peach in the middle, and then just apply that on the eyelid. Yeah, the color is very discreet. It's not heavily pigmented. So if you're going for a natural look, I think this is a good palette. I'm not sure if you can see anything. And then I'm going to go in with the brown, and I'm going to put this on my outer lids and blend it in. So this one you see a little more. I'm gonna add a little more to build it up. So this brush is super fluffy, super soft, and I find that it really blends the colors in really nicely. Now I'm gonna go in and add a little bit of this pink metallic, I don't really know what to call it, but the lightest shade, and add it into the inner corners of my eyes and a little on the brow bone. Go into the inner corner And just a little. Now I'm going to take the blending brush and I'm just going to blend a little in my crease. And there it is. So I like how it's very subtle. It has a very light pigmentation so you can build up the intensity of the color. And I love these brushes. They're super fluffy, they're super soft. I also got a compact, and this is in W8 Classic 10. So it's a little dark for my skin tone. I'm gonna take some of the product with this blush brush. I'm gonna use it as a bronzer. It picks up a little bit of the product so you can really blend it and work it onto your skin without it being too harsh. For a little shimmer, there is this Touch Glow Stick. So it looks like this. And all I need to do really is apply it in areas where I want the light to really hit my skin. So I'm usually gonna do it around my cheekbone. And just lightly spread it off. And then I'm gonna just do the other side. So it's not like a regular highlighter that just gives you the shimmer. It also gives you a little bit of color. So I wouldn't be shy to use this as a blush either, or as a blush too. And last but not least, I got a eyeliner pencil. It's a little pencil tip that you'll need a sharpener to refresh. And then it also has this end. It's a little sponge. I'm someone who doesn't really wear eyeliner. I usually do for special occasions, but I actually prefer, maybe because I'm not used to using eyeliners, but I do prefer a pencil eyeliner versus a liquid eyeliner, but maybe it's just because I'm unexperienced with them. So I'm already noticing that it's not like a kohl eyeliner, so it's not like it just creams onto your lid. But I think this is good for me because I can build my line with more control. And then I'm gonna go in with a little sponge just to blend it in. So this is the final look. It's really natural, it's really subtle. I only use the products that were in the mailer. And I'm really happy with the products and the brushes and the quality of it, all the goodies that came from Nude by Nature. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, any comments, please leave them down below. I'll have a link below as well for our Topbox Circle if you're interested in signing up. Please subscribe to this channel and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.